Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I am aging ethically. Now, unless you've been living under a rock in this country, in this world, you would have missed the fact that there was a presidential election in this country and a new president has been inaugurated. If you watched said inauguration, you would have noticed that many of the political figures were wearing the color purple. It is the combination of blue and red combined to make the color purple. It is a color which represents both parties, peace, unity, and basically a coalition of strengths in order to govern one country. So celebrating this new presidential era, I'm going to be doing a look using the color purple or various shades of the color purple. So as always, I'm going to be using vegan and cruelty-free products for this purple look today. I've already started with my base. So I have foundation on, I've done my brows, and I've done a little bit of contouring. The foundation is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation, which I love, love, love so much. The brow pomade is from e.l.f. I'm going to speed this process up, so you're not really going to get to see the palettes that I'm using, so I'm going to show you ahead of time. This is the Pure and Raw Beauty Kristi collaboration. This is her Duality palette. One side has neutral tones. The other side has lovely colors to play with, so I'm going to be using this purple, which is Tribute. And I'm also going to be using a Spoiled Lips Cosmetics palette. I am a member of the bi-monthly palette club, and this is one of the palettes that they sent to me. Incidentally, I do have a discount code with Spoiled Lips Cosmetics, and it is ethical 10. I will put the link down below, but we're going to be using this palette, and I love it so much. It's extremely colorful, and I love all the graphics on it, especially the unicorn and the pretty rainbow eyes. I love it so, so much. So, so many pretty colors here. But I'm going to be using this light lavender shade, and I'm probably going to be using this shimmer lilac shade as well. So this is the shimmer and then the matte. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my little bipartisan inaugural purple look creation that I have accomplished this evening. I wish you guys can really pick up on all the glitter that's kind of peeking through these little negative space stars once I remove the stickers. It's really, really cute, and I am so happy with it. Thank you guys. I hope you are staying healthy. I hope you are happy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.